If you are involved with selling a product that's compatible to online sales, which is essentially any product, then you should definitely consider and be curious about the movements of Amazon, which is the leader of the global and undergoing e-commerce revolution. And Amazon's latest movement, their latest acquisition, has been South Africa. And the question to ask yourself is, why did Amazon choose to launch in the tip of the African continent? And why did they choose to do it now? Well, the reason is simple. Globally, what we call the e-commerce revolution is that traditional retail sales, customers going into shops to buy their products, it's growing far slower than e-commerce sales, which has been doubling in size every few years over the last decade. In South Africa, this trend goes even quicker. The e-commerce revenue and penetration of users in the Rainbow Nation is bigger than the international average. In just a few years, South Africa's e-commerce market will double in size. Added the fact that the South African economy and society is poised for a renaissance of sorts, it becomes relatively clear why Amazon chose Africa's most industrialized country as their next destination.